Sir, as master recipes to everyone. Hello, today I'd like to welcome you to the restaurant and that you've enjoyed in the cafes. We'll give you a recipe for garbage skewers. The recipe we have given you in your homes by applying it in 15, 20 minutes. You can create this perfectly delicious and your money will stay in your pocket. If you're ready, let's get started, friends. At first, we start our recipe. We start with the vegetables we're going to chop. If we have capia peppers and green peppers, our peppers as shown in the figure we need to chop. Because these vegetables, we will place it between the skewers as a decor, as a flavor image. It's going to look very nice as you guys, and when you do, you give us the right. I'm sure you'll agree that we've used chicken quantity, half a kilogram of chicken from half a kilogram of chicken close to 4. 5 servings. It turns out a garbage skewer, friends.
After cutting our peppers beautifully, we cut our onions in this way, as it looks like. After cutting all of our vegetables, we put them on a separate plate and set them aside and continue our other processes. We have to be careful not to be friends after a good wash. In half, as shown in the figure, and cut it in half again, in pieces as shown in the figure. After cutting them, put them in a bowl and put them in a flavoring to sweeten them. We need to make a sauce.
We chop the chickens in it after placing it in the container, put a clove of garlic in the mortar and add a little bit of salt. We add salt so that it doesn't slip, friends. Crush is very quickly beautifully thickened to the consistency of ointment. I'm not going to be able to do this then on the chopped chickens. We'll add a little bit of salt. Then a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of chili powder crushed after pouring a very small amount of sunflower oil that we add the garlic and give it a good stir. We mix it in such a way that if you have a hand, it would be nice if you add some soy sauce since we have soy sauce on hand. So we added a little bit, but soy. If you do not have sauce, you can be sure that you can catch the same flavor even if you do not add it.
Friends on our channel vary. There are beautiful recipes that are both practical and you can learn all the delicious Turkish dishes and desserts in the best way. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, this is the chicken we made. It is useful to stay, hour of decency, because friends, because of that sauce. Marina, as it is, the flavors need to intertwine. We prepared the chickens as follows. Friends, 1 piece is seen. After adding chicken, we add our vegetables respectively, slowly skewer 4 chickens on a skewer onion and pepper on the side of each chicken after placing them in order, and then we move on to the other skewer. 4 pieces of chicken is enough. Friends 2. If we tighten it too much this time, watering may occur during cooking. Yes, if you do, as shown in the figure, did a very good job with efficiency, you will be better like the image, as you see it onions. Not all at once, but in between, put a Teflon pan on the stove. After placing the friends in the Teflon, when our pan heats up nicely, a very little bit of a sunflower, we pour the oil after our pan and oil are nicely browned. Then, the garbage we prepared our skewers, after placing it neatly in our pan, then really, we are waiting for one side to be cooked when you try it. You'll agree how beautiful and that it's delicious, and I've always thought cook for your children and family. If you like our recipe, don't forget to like the video in the comments section, and don't forget to like the video very much without turning on the bottom of the tube. Friends, first of all, our pan is good. After it heats up, we need to turn it down a bit, because if there is a lot of flame, this time there will be a side can burn very quickly, and I'll check in every once in a while and when it's browned on one side. We need to turn this into a pasta dish. If you want rice pilaf, you can make a salad. This is a choice that is up to you when you put it on a serving plate. If you want rice on the side, if you want pasta, whatever you can get your hands on. Finally, you can enrich your dining tables with a profula like this, with the help of a little to a lot, without suppressing our friends in our cause. Cooking. When one side is nicely cooked, after such profula, with the help of the other side again, and prove it again. It would be nice if you could touch it. After it's cooked in this way, if you have friends, put a tablespoon of butter into the pan and add nice aroma, and flavor is forming. And if you don't have butter, you don't need to add any at all. No need, we added it because we have it health to those who have already done it. Bon appetit to those who eat to our channel and set the notification bells. Don't forget to keep it open, friends. We need your support. See you in the next recipe, God. Be safe and goodbye.